What's going on, my friends? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your front wheel hub or differential bearing. So stay tuned for this video. So this is basically what we are going to replace, and FAG is the OEM brand. So here's the bearing or wheel hub, however you want to call it, and it also comes with a sensor and everything. So it is a really simple install. So let's do it. So the first thing we're going to be doing is lift the Jeep, of course. And I'm going to be showing you how the wheel is like moving when it is not supposed to be moving. Let me show you. So as you can see, the wheel is moving. It's not moving a lot, just a little bit, but now that we have the time, we can change it before something bad happens and we get stuck in the middle of nowhere or off-roading, or I don't know, something bad can happen. So let's do that. So now it will be time to remove basically everything from here. So after you remove the wheel spacer, if you have a wheel spacer, it's time to remove the brake caliper, and it's going to have two bolts here, one here and one down here. Here, it's going to have two basically. So let's do that. So after you remove the caliper, make sure to put it in a safe place. And now it's time to remove everything else. So after that, just remove the speed sensor, and you're going to be using an Allen key. Now we're going to be using a 3/16 to remove this plug from here. Okay, as you can see, here is the sensor. So after you remove the sensor, you're going to have to remove 3 bolts, and they're going to be on the knuckle, behind the knuckle, and one is here, the other one is here, and the other one is on the other side. Now for this bolt, we're going to be using a 13 millimeters, and it's going to be a little hard, so take your time. So after you remove those 3 bolts on the rear, now it's going to be time to remove that nut. So the nut is out, and we were using a 36 millimeter socket. And that part is supposed to be there, and it's going to be a little hard to take it out. So if you try to take it out and it doesn't come out, just give it a few hits with a hammer, and you should be good to go. So this is the part. So we're going to be installing this. Basically we don't need to remove this, because just look guys, it is really easy, really simple. So basically we're going to put it the same way we removed it, so it's going to be really easy. Just put the 3 bolts. So make sure to tie these 3 bolts really hard. And now it is time to tie this one, but we're going to be using some red thread lock because that bolt is not supposed to go anywhere. So let's do that. So the next step will be to reroute the new cable and remove, of course, the old cable. So let's do that. So this speed sensor is supposed to go back here. You can see there is a plug here. You're supposed to put it there. And now it's going to be time to install the brake rotor and the brake caliper back. And again, we are going to be using red thread lock on this brake caliper bolt because you don't want them to go basically anywhere. So after you connect everything and everything is right, make sure to tie these bolts and use red thread lock because you don't want those bolts going anywhere. And now it's time to put our spacer back, and again we're going to be using red thread lock. Just leave it. So after you have basically checked everything and everything is in place, now it is time to put the wheel back. Basically that's it. Well, my friends, I hope this video can help you replace your axle bearing or wheel hub, however you want to call it. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe because that will help me a lot. As always, see you in the next one.